We're cooking a full sheet pan dinner tonight. We got chicken, roasted little potatoes, juicy tomatoes. Let's make it together. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen things that moms just know, real life recipes like this one, and the best pancakes. Subscribe for more. Today we're cooking bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I already removed the excess fat from the chicken and patted them dry with a paper towel. Starting with dry meat or dry skin is going to help the seasoning stick and taste so much better. Speaking of the seasoning, let's mix it up in a bowl. This one's really easy. It's got olive oil, salt, garlic powder, pepper, and Italian seasoning or oregano, whatever dried herb you've got. And with a spoon, I'm gonna mix this together. So this is ready to go. Today I'm using baby or little potatoes. Some are really small, some are bigger. So the bigger ones, I'm gonna slice in half. Now you can also use red potatoes, golden Yukon potatoes, whatever you have, but you want to cut them into small, even-sized pieces, kind of like this size. That way, all your potatoes are going to be done cooking at the same time as the rest of your meal. Now that they're all about the same size, some are left whole and some are sliced, I'm going to grab them and put them directly on my sheet pan. I'm also going to roast the onions with the potatoes and tomatoes. So you could use a medium onion or shallots. They're practically cousins. These are smaller than the onion, so both work. And the cherry tomatoes, I'm going to add them whole at the very beginning because I like my tomatoes like when they get like nice and charred during baking. If you're using a medium onion, what I do is I just slice it into large quarters like this, remove the outer leaves, and then just add them to my sheet pan. If you're adding shallots, you would just trim off the ends, and they're smaller, so you just kind of slice them in half and peel it off. I'm gonna add my tomatoes. Then I'm gonna take half of that seasoning mixture, about a big tablespoon, and drizzle it all over the top. Then I'm gonna use my hands, or you could use kitchen tongs, to mix them all around so everything in the pan gets nicely seasoned. Then I'm gonna take my chicken thighs and place them all around the pan. Now I have 4 of them here, but if you have more people to feed, just add more. And then the rest of that olive oil herby mixture, I'm gonna spoon right over my chicken thighs. Then I'm gonna rub them with the herby mixture. You could also use a kitchen brush. I'm gonna wash my hands and then place them in the preheated oven where it'll roast for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna open the oven to stir the potatoes and the veggies once or twice during the last 10 minutes or so. I know that this is gonna be ready when my chicken thighs look nice and golden, but also the internal temperature reaches 175, and that's when I can take them out of the oven and they're ready to be served. And just like that, you've got a full meal ready to go. All the ingredient measurements are right below this video, and if you're into this type of simple recipes, make sure to watch this next video. See you next time.